the fastest century in IPL history. Number 10, AB de Villiers, 43 balls. Number 9, Adam Gilchrist, 42 balls. Number 8, Will Jacks, 41 balls. Number 7, Abhishek Sharma, 40 balls. Number 6, Priyansh Arya, 39 balls. Number 5, Travis Head, 39 balls. Number 4, David Miller, 38 balls. Number 3, Yusuf Pathan, 37 balls. Number 2, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, 35 balls. Number 1, Chris Gayle, 30 balls.